Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's news bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Modi lays foundation stone for 8 projects of Amrut worth around 2,000 crore rupees in Solapur, Maharashtra. Over 5 crore people benefit from free health services during the ongoing Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chairs NEC plenary meeting in Shillong, says the last 10 years have been one of the most crucial decades for development of the northeastern region. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurates Cyber Security Operations Centre in Assam Rifles headquarters at Shillong. And Rahul Gandhi to visit Meghalaya on January 22nd as part of the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that his government is dedicated to the welfare of the underprivileged families of the country. He said that his government started various schemes to ease the lives of these families. He said that the government has already provided 4 crore Pakka houses and 10 crore toilets. He was speaking after inaugurating and laying the foundation stone of multiple development projects in Solapur, Maharashtra.
आज पीएम आवास योजना के तहत बनी देश की सबसे बड़ी सोसाइटी का लोकार्पण हुआ है और मैं जाकर के देख के आया। मुझे भी लगा कि काश मुझे भी बचपन में ऐसे घर में रहने का मौका मिला। ये चीजें देखता हूं, मन को इतना संतोष होता है। इन हजारों परिवारों के सपने जब साकार होते हैं तो उनके आशीर्वाद मेरी सबसे बड़ी पूंजी होते हैं।
The government has said that more than 5 crore people benefited from free health services during the ongoing Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. The Union Health Ministry said around 2 lakh health camps conducted in Gram Panchayats and urban local bodies till date. The ministry said more than 2 crore 61 lakh Ayushman cards have been created at the camps under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The flagship scheme aims to provide health cover of 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired the plenary session of the North-Eastern Council at the State Convention Centre here on Friday. Shah was felicitated by Union Minister of Donor G. Kishan Reddy, who is also the Vice Chairman of the NEC. Chief Ministers of all the North-Eastern states took part in the meeting, together with governors and chief secretaries of the different North-Eastern states. Presentation on the action plan of the Council for 2023-24 and the progress of the NEC Vision 2047 document activities of the Ministry and a brief presentation by the NEC Planning Financial Advisor and Donor Joint Secretary on the ideas and thrust areas for the NEC to focus on in the North-East was presented during the plenary session. These include investment policies, programs, Industry 4.0 for the North-Eastern region, strengthening of logistics and inter-regional trade import substitution export. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah inaugurated Cyber Security Operations Centre in Assam Rifles headquarters at Lightcore in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Shah said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Bharat is taking a quantum leap towards digitalization. He said that the Modi government is committed to creating a cyber success society by making the internet secure for every citizen. He stated that prevention of cyber crimes is a priority of the Modi government. He said that the Cyber Security Operations Center will strengthen the cyber security posture of the force by carrying out real-time monitoring of the network, mitigation of external threats and prevention of cyber violations in the Assam Rifles wide area network. The Voice of the People Party launched their protest against the failure of the MDA 2.0 government to reinstate the sacked officials of the Lokayukta opposite Deputy Commissioner's office. Amidst the argument and pull and push, the VPP is calling for the right to raise voice under Article 19 of the Constitution, which guarantees the right to freedom of speech. The protest was attended by 3 VPP legislators, including North Shillong legislator Adalbert Nongrum, MLA from Maulai Bright Starwell Marbanyang, and Heaving Stone Kharprang, VPP candidate from Mau Ringneng constituency. Besides, the party leaders and supporters were seen protesting.
Before we started this agitation, it was on account of the government's decision to remove the 3 officials of the Lokayukta. As a party which stands to fight against corruption, as a party which stands to correct the wrong, so we had to undertake this kind of a protest, which is a very democratic form of protest, which is the right of every individual, every citizen of the country.
And now, viewers, we'll be back after a very short break.
International Water Conclave Shillong 2024. Join us in Shillong for a groundbreaking event aimed at collectively addressing water issues in hilly regions. 9th and 10th February 2024. Dive into the pre-conclave excitement by participating in the following exciting events: PSA video contest, nature and nurture quiz, slogan writing, painting, short video contest on best practices in water conservation, water recycling, rejuvenation and water user efficiency, and hackathon. Exciting prizes await, generous prize money, recognition for innovative solutions. For details, visit iwcshillong.org or write to us at iwcshillong24@gmail.com. Be part of the change. Set the tone for a water-conscious future.
We welcome you back to the news. The Hinyotreb Youth Council on Friday staged a demonstration against the delay of the centre in responding to the demand of implementation of the inner line permit and inclusion of the Khasi and Gauro languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Members of the group tried to march towards the secretariat but were stopped by the police halfway and staged their protest in the taxi parking lot opposite Shillong Civil Hospital.
Kasi yaman dia. Mentah segi. Nagaliang jelek cuci. Ni pentau. Kajing persyak. Dah kebangin penher gini kebalun. Ban pentau bak ni persyak. Bahado mentah mene. Hempat cemlai. Ya kata kaannya dari. Landai ke ALP. Ya ke jai bendreu kasi. Landai ke state Meghalaya jongi. Tur Jabrang. Sipai gari. Tur Jabrang. Sipai gari. We won. ALP. We won. ALP. We won.
The State Congress on Friday informed that as part of the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, Rahul Gandhi will visit Meghalaya on January 22nd. He will be handing over the Yatra flag to Meghalaya Pradesh Congress at Jorabad. After that, from Nongpo Point, he will walk towards Pahams Ames Stadium to address a public gathering. Post the public meeting, he will proceed towards Birnihut, stay for the night and attend a meeting at USTM with NECCC leaders. Leader of the opposition and Congress MLA Ronnie V. Lingdo said that the Yatra goes beyond politics and focuses on the core values of equality and justice. He said the Yatra Bharat is about coming together as communities to fight against all the atrocities and raise a voice together in a powerful manner. The 5th edition of the Meghalaya Games saw traditional sports taking center stage as participants displayed exceptional skills in events such as Ra Mukra, Wapong, Sika and Maupoin. In the Ra Mukra men's category individual event, Dao Hidhar from West Jaintia Hills district secured the first position, followed by Miuru Suna and Vincent Bare from the same district in the second and third places respectively. In the team event of Ra Mukra, West Jaintia Hills district bagged the first position. East Khasi Hills district emerged as the runners-up team. In the traditional game, Wapong Sika, West Karo Hills district clinched the top spot, with West Jaintia Hills district securing the second and third positions. The traditional game Maupoin women's category showcased exceptional performances as East Khasi Hills district claimed the first position. In the Maupoin men's category, East Khasi Hills district continued the winning streak, while West Karo Hills district and West Jaintia Hills district secured the second and third positions. The final match of both boys and girls under 18 will be played at the PA Sangma Stadium today evening. In the boys category, Riboy district will take on West Jaintia Hills district, while East Khasi Hills and West Karo Hills play for the third place. In the under 18 girls category, the final match will be played between Riboy district and East Khasi Hills district, while for the third place, East and West Khasi Hills will play against Southwest Khasi Hills. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 13.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 4.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 58%, while it was 82% in the evening. And the forecast says dry weather and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi lays foundation stone for 8 projects of Amrut worth around 2,000 crore rupees in Solapur, Maharashtra. Over 5 crore people benefit from free health services during the ongoing Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chairs NEC plenary meeting in Shillong, says the last 10 years have been one of the most crucial decades for development of the northeastern region. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurates a cyber security operations center in Assam Rifles headquarters at Shillong. And Rahul Gandhi to visit Meghalaya on January 22nd as part of the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.